All right, I'm gonna do a quick video. This is gonna be an instructional type video, and this one's gonna be about water. And so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is take a look at where our water connections are, and they're gonna be inside of this cabinet area right here. And go ahead and show you these. So what we're looking at is the control setup, and while it might be explained to you when you're doing your walkthrough, let me just tell you a little bit. So the main thing is here's your city water, and what you're going to do is you're going to line up these dials exactly how they show in the diagram. City water is basically water that you hook into your RV. So as you can see, ours is hooked in, and what this will allow us to do is run off of the water that's coming out of whatever you're connected to. So you're going to want your green to the left, your red one up, your blue one to the left, and your white one down. That means city water. Dry camping could be a little confusing, but basically it means when you're not connected to water. So if nothing's connected here, you're going to want to move this one into the up position, and as you can see, the rest stay the same. Now if you do that, you're also going to want to turn on your pump. If you turn your pump on, then what happens is you will hear your pump start, and it basically will pump water out of your freshwater tank. Now you want to make sure you have water in your freshwater tank. So what does that mean? It means that you're going to want to fill your tank with water. So you're going to have water coming in at some point. So you're going to connect to here, and then you're going to put it into this power fill tank. And that means left down, or white down, green left, red up, and blue, you're going to move that to down. And that's going to go ahead and start filling your tank. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. As you can see, there's a lot of things in here, but each of these are kind of self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk about winterizing, because winterizing is going to be when you are going to want to winterize, and I'll cover that in another video. And then this is also sanitize, which is siphon to your tank via your water pump. So, and I'll go over that in another video as well. All right, I hope that helps you with the water. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our instructional videos. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. God bless and safe travels.